Here we come to the elevator at Shepherd School of Music, located at Stude Concert Hall at Rice University in Houston, Texas. This was clearly originally an older Otis Series 1 until it got modernized. I clearly remember this elevator. I remember riding this elevator ever since I was a child. Yep, definitely an older Otis Series 1. I still see that Otis nameplate right there. If the camera will focus, there's your Otis nameplate. I clearly remember this elevator here. This is that older Otis Series 1, and B is locked. I remember, original was open before. But yes, this elevator is exactly how I remember. I was here for my older brother's cello performance, and this originally had older Series 1 until it got modernized. I wish I had a video of it when it was original, but unfortunately I wasn't filming at the time, so let's ride. Here we go. B's locked. Look up in the ceiling. Who do you see? Hi. If it got like a generic mod, like if it's recent, like if it got like a Smart Rise mod from like recently ago, I would have definitely not filmed this, but since I recorded this elevator at one point long time ago, and it was still exactly like this. So let's go back down to 1. I believe the motor is still original, just only replaced the buttons, and that was about it. There it goes. Before we end, look at this beautiful lobby. Look at this thing. Look at this beautiful lobby. This is exactly like how I remember it. Wow, look at this lobby. This is beautiful. This is exactly like how I remembered when I actually came here for my brother's performance back, I believe in 2004, 2003, or 2002, I can't remember. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.